Hey everyone, my name is Eli Bear. Like some of you out there, if you're watching this video, you've probably had some issues with your credit. A couple years back, I had a business disaster that nailed me personally and had some overflow onto my wife's credit. We needed to fix my wife's credit so we could refinance our house. I tried credit repair company A, then credit repair company B, then credit repair company C. Several $1,000s later and a whole lot of frustration, I made zero progress. Then I came across Pinnacle Credit Repair, Andre's company. I talked with him and he told me how they were different. I was skeptical, to say the least, but I really needed this problem solved, so I gave him a shot. Best move I ever made. Take a look at the screen there. February 17th, 2022, Equifax, her score was 617. Experian, her score was 632. TransUnion, 626. Now look at the top entry. 6122. Equifax, 729. Experian, 732. TransUnion, 722. You know what? We refinanced our house just this week. This credit repair saved us tens of thousands of dollars. I can't tell you how happy I am with this. So here's a ringing endorsement. If you want your credit fixed and you want it done the right way, don't screw around. Call Pinnacle Credit Repair, talk to Andre, and sign up for his program. You'll be glad you did.